Can you use secret conversation on Facebook Messenger? If you are trying to use the secret conversation but unable to do so, first head over to your Facebook Messenger app. Now, from here, you just tap on the chat where you want to use the secret messenger. And then from here, you just have to go ahead and tap on their profile. Once you get here, if you scroll down, as you can see there, you can no longer see an option for secret messenger. This is because Messenger has changed how the conversation work, and Messenger has rolled out a new feature called end-to-end encryption, which allows all of your chat to be personalized and secure. What this means is there is no separate option for secret messenger. All of your conversations are end-to-end encrypted and secure. So there is no more requirement for a secret messenger. Now to access your end-to-end encryption, head over to menu and then tap on settings. Now from here, scroll down until you find a privacy and safety option. Then you'll find the end-to-end encrypted chats option. Just tap on it, click on message storage, and here you'll be able to see your message storage, and all of your end-to-end encrypted chat will be securely stored on this secure storage. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. Make sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.